BS6. The Delhi government has tightened vehicular pollution controls amid severe air quality, bringing renewed focus on Bharat state emission norms. Non-BS6 private vehicles registered outside Delhi have been barred from entering the city. Fuel stations will now sell fuel only to vehicles with a valid pollution under control certificate. Non-compliant vehicles face a fine of 20,000 rupees, while even BS6 vehicles can be fined rupees 10,000 if they lack a valid PUCC. These measures target emission from older, more polluting vehicles as part of efforts to curb worsening air pollution in the capital. Bharat State Emission Norms. Bharat State Emission Norms are India's legally enforced standard to regulate air pollutants emitted by motor vehicles, framed by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and implemented by the Central Pollution Control Board. These norms are broadly aligned with European emission standard Euro norms and apply to all new vehicles manufactured and sold in the country. Evolution of Bharat State Norms. India has progressively tightened vehicular emission standard to address worsening urban air pollution. BS1 introduced in 2000, BS2 2001, Delhi first nationwide by 2005, BS3 nationwide by 2010, BS4 nationwide by 2017 and BS6 implemented directly from BS4 in April 2020, escaping BS5. Pollutants regulated. BS norms prescribed upper limit for key vehicular pollutants including carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxide, particulate matter. Each successive BS standard tightens these limits significantly. Other features: advanced emission control technologies such as diesel particulate filter (DPF), selective catalytic reduction (SCR), on-board diagnostic (OBD), more realistic testing aligned closer to real driving conditions. Significance of Bharat State Norm. Public health protection by reducing pollutants linked to respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, environmental benefits including lower smog formation and black carbon emissions, technological upgradation of India's automobile industry, global alignment, improving export competitiveness of Indian vehicles. Why Delhi has made standard vehicles? Delhi's mixed BS fleet exists because the capital adopted stricter norms earlier than the rest of India due to severe air pollution. Delhi implemented BS2 in 2001, BS3 in 2005 and BS4 in 2012 well ahead of national timelines. Although BS6 became mandatory nationwide in April 20, vehicles from other states with older standards continue to enter the city, resulting in a mix of emission norms on Delhi's roads. Why older vehicles contribute more to air pollution? Older vehicles emit significantly higher levels of harmful pollutants because they lack advanced emission control technologies. Diesel vehicles in particular release large amount of nitrogen oxide and fine particulate matter, major contribution to smog and respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. They also emit volatile organic compounds that form secondary pollutants in the atmosphere. In addition, black carbon from diesel exhaust not only damages public health but also accelerates climate warming, making older vehicles especially polluting. Scale of order: high polluting vehicles in Delhi NCR. A significant share of vehicles in Delhi NCR remains highly polluting. Government assessment indicate that nearly 37% of vehicles in the region comply only with older Bharat State 1, 2 or 3 norms, making them major contributor to the air quality crisis. BS6 or BS4. What change in emission standard? BS6 emission norms impose far tighter pollution limits than BS4. For petrol vehicles, nitrogen oxide limits are reduced by about 25%. For diesel vehicles, nitrous oxide emission must fall by nearly 68%, while particulate matter emissions are cut by around 82%. BS6 vehicles also run on much cleaner low sulfur fuel, enabling advanced emission control technology to operate effectively. In addition, BS6 introduces more stringent testing procedure closer to real world